Namaskar, this is Rohi Shankar Mane and you're watching Scientists Are Academy Towards Scientific World. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about the Tata Innovation Fellowship 2020-21 for the Life Sciences and the Biotechnology students. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more video updates regarding to the life sciences. Introduction. Now see, the applications are invited for Tata Innovation Fellowship, a highly competitive scheme instituted by the Department of Biotechnology, that is DBT, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, to recognize and reward scientists with an outstanding track record in biological sciences and biotechnology, to find innovative solutions to major problems in healthcare, agriculture, environment, and other allied areas related to the life science and biotechnology. Now, what is eligibility for that? First, the fellowship is open to Indian nationals residing in India who are below the age of 55 years as 15/11/2020. The fellowship is a coterminous with the superannuation of fellow in his or her organization. The applicant should possess PhD degree. This is very important in the life sciences, agriculture, veterinary sciences, or a master degree in medical sciences, engineering, or an equivalent degree in biotechnology related areas. The applicant must have outstanding contributions or publications in the specific area. The candidate must have regular permanent position in a university or institute or organization and should be engaged in research and development. If he is availing of any other fellowship, he or she will have to opt for only one fellowship. The applicant should have spent at least 5 years in India before applying for the fellowship. Evidence of outstanding track record and the deep commitment to finding innovative solutions to major problems in healthcare, agriculture, and other areas related to the life science and biotechnology. In totality, the candidate should purchase the MSc degree in any life science and biotechnology related subjects or PhD degree. Apart from that, the candidate must should be Indian from like 10 years like that, and they can apply. Duration and emoluments. The amount of fellowship is around 25,000 per month in addition to regular salary from the institute. If an awardee receiving a salary from an international organization, he or she will be entitled to research grant, that is a contingency only. In addition, each fellow will receive contingency grant around 6 lakh per annum for meeting the expenses on consumers, equipment, international and domestic level, manpower, and other contingency expenditure to the incurred in concern with the implementation of an ongoing research project under the fellowship. The number of fellows 5 per year. How to apply? Now here, see, the most important that for application format and submission details we have to visit DBT website, that is a http://www.dbtindia.gov.in. Now applications to hard copies duly forwarded by the competent authority of whose institute should be sent to the following address, that is Dr. D.O. Prakash Chaturvedi, Scientist C, Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, room number 814, 8th floor, block number 2, CGO Complex, Lodi Road, New Delhi 110003. And we should send that before November 15, 2020. A soft copy of the application in the prescribed format should be mandatorily submitted online through the DBT e-portal. On this portal, we have to submit our soft copy before November 15, 2020. Now see, for the application, first we have to go to this website, and from there we have to download the performa, and we have to fill up that performa in duly copies, and the duly copies we have to submit by this post to the Dr. Deo Prakash Chaturvedi, Scientist C, and the same soft copy we have to send through this portal before November 15, 2020. So those are eligible to for this fellowship, they can apply. Thanks a lot.